and show that you can listen which you are interested in what she needs to state. This is necessary and will help you go far in the dating world. 6. Keeping it light, probably among the most basic ideas for dating. Keep the discussion light, fun and positive. On your very first date, you don't want to reduce the state of mind with discussions about the problems going on in your life, the task you hate, or the buddy that you're frustrated with. In not stating never ever have major conversations. Simply in the early phases of dating, be a bit more unwinded, laugh and talk about favorable things, simply have some enjoyable. 7. Attempt not to talk about your ex on a very first date. If there's one topic you need to avoid, it's that of the ex. If you can, remain well away from it. It's very not likely your date will be interested, and well, it can leave the environment feeling a little awkward. However, if your date does bring it up in conversation, keep it short, however sweet, without raising suspicion. End with some reassurance that the past is history and that you desire to invest the time together, focusing on learning more about her instead. Turn it off. Keep in mind all those times you've been out with your friends and been irritated that their phones have gone off, or that they're constantly on them. That inconvenience is amplified in the dating environment. The option: simply turn it off. Not simply on silent or on vibrate, as I can guarantee that you'll still discover it sidetracking. I'm certain she'll value the gesture. 9. Good manners mocketh male. This dating suggestion is practically a need to and used to most things in life. Good manners and politeness don't cost a thing, and yet they are treasured by most. No matter the circumstance, the people included, or the environment you remain in, having basic good manners assists you out so much. If you treat those around you with generosity and regard, she'll see that you care, that you're really a nice person, and she'll likely be more inclined to follow through with future dates. So draw out those pleases and thank yous. If you go on a date and neglect those valued fundamental manners, and the chances of success are really slim. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.